passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Dangerous items are not permitted. Utility knife. Gasoline. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. We can build a snowman now! It's so cold! Please help me put on a warm coat and gloves! Don't forget the gloves! Now I'm ready! Let's go and build a snowman! Great! Now we've made the body of the snowman. Next, let's find some branches to make the snowman's arms. Wow! You found all the branches! Drag the branches and stick them in the snowball. Let's choose a pair of beautiful eyes for the snowman. The snowman will look better with a nose. Finally, let's add some decorations to it. Let's decorate the snowman. Wow! You've made a beautiful snowman. The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? We are arriving at the loading area. Please load the goods onto the train. Drag the right boxes into the train. Great! You've loaded the goods! Uh-oh, the track ahead is disconnected. Choose the correct track to connect it. Good job, you fixed the track. We are arriving at the delivery spot. Please put the goods into the lift truck. Thank you for the delivery. at obstacles. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Great! You finished the race! Let's attend the presentation of prizes! Awesome! You're the first place! Let's milk the cow and make some milk tea! The cow is a little dirty. Let's clean it first. Drag the brush to clean the cow. Good job! The cow is clean now. Oops, the cow is a little upset. Let's cheer it up. That's great! The cow is happy now. Next, let's milk the cow together. Now we've got milk. Let's make some milk tea. Slide the wooden pestle downward to break the brick tea. Put the brick tea into the plate. Brick tea. Milk. Butter. Salt. Stir it. Great! The milk tea is ready. Let's eat. Please pour me a cup of milk tea. The cup is full. I'm so full! The food here is so good! finish line. Time to draw a prize. Wow! What a cute decoration!